Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you Webflow versus Framer review. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Webflow stands out in the website builder crowd by offering a unique blend of design flexibility and visual coding. While it boasts a user-friendly interface, it caters more to those with a design background or a willingness to learn. Webflow's core strength lies in its visual design editor. Unlike drag-and-drop builders, Webflow offers a more precise canvas where you can directly manipulate elements on the page. Webflow integrates a built-in CMS, allowing you to manage website content like text, images, and blog posts easily. Teamwork is a breeze with Webflow's collaboration features that allow multiple users to work on a project simultaneously. Now let's talk about its plans. First, they offer free for hobby and staging sites. Then, they have a basic, which is $14 per month, built yearly for relatively simple static websites. Next, there's CMS, which is $23 per month for blogs or other content-driven sites. Following that, they offer Business for $39 per month, built yearly for larger sites. They also have a Contact Us option for those needing an enterprise-grade solution. If we toggle off, they offer free and basic again. Basic is $18 per month, and then there's CMS, which is $29 per month, which is for blogs or other content-driven sites. Furthermore, there's the business plan, which is $49 per month for larger sites, and Contact Us is available for those needing an enterprise-grade solution. Framer is a design platform that empowers users to create interactive prototypes, user interfaces or UIs, and even functional websites. It caters to a wide range of design needs, from crafting high-fidelity prototypes for user testing to building production-ready web experiences. Framer excels at creating prototypes that mimic real-world applications. Additionally, it connects with various development tools and libraries, fostering a more cohesive design-to-development pipeline. Now, let's discuss its pricing and plans, starting with the free option and the ability to upgrade to unlock more features. First, we have free. Then there's mini, which is $5 per site per month. Following that, we have basic, priced at $15 per site per month. After that, there's pro, which costs $30 per site per month. Finally, there's enterprise, which offers custom pricing. If you're looking to design and build websites, Webflow might be your go-to. Whereas if you're focusing on app prototyping and interaction design, Framer could be the better choice. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.